Turn your knees, turn your body.
Arrive at 3 p.m. Well, that you enjoy the flight. We wish you a good stay in Phu Quoc. Thank you for choosing Vietjet for your attention. Thank you.
Girl, you strong. You strong. Come on, what is this place?
Thank you so much. Okay, so I will watch.
Oh gosh, she feels shy to say it. Thank you. Right, y'all, so we've made it to Phu Quoc Islands, which is so super nice. It's complete different vibe than Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh, which is more city metropolitan vibe. This is a calming island. It's giving Jamaica. Oh, my passport. Oh my god, what if I don't have my passport? Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanking you. Oh, you can give out the boarding pass. No, you don't care. Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, it's
Drink. Thank you so much.
Are you
Have him walk.
Thank you for your member. Welcome to share.
Thank you. Can we do a cheers? All right. The camera.
In the hotel, we have to upgrade for you the ocean view.
Ooh. Now that's getting upgraded, girl. Yes. Love. Cheers.
Can I borrow your glove?
I sent an email.
Yeah. Can you send the arrow for me?
Yeah, sure. You can give me your email.
Oh, you're so, guys, I'm nervous about so. If you guys know, when we stayed at 4 Points by Sheraton, I think, or Sheraton in Maldives, I had the whole situation with the welcome drinks. Thank you. Oh, so sorry. Oh my god, too much video. Oh my god, I'm nervous. So since then, I've been a little. They're talking about that. I've been a little bit nervous for welcome drinks. And come on, I'm not gonna lie. I was ready. I was ready. You're gonna feel ready. No, listen, I've had one mishap enough for the trip. I think it's over. After that tunnel, it's over for me. But anyways, guys, I'm so happy to be here. Spending my birthday in Phu Quoc. Birthday girl! Alright, we're gonna do a quick room tour because they said they upgraded us to the ocean view. Thank you, Marriott. After the tunnel,
The tunnel fiasco.
and the bamboo boat fiasco, God said,
I deserve something
I
nice.
shall vindicate you and I will put you at the head and not at the tail. And here we are at the head. Open, guys, we need full content. Hold on. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick hotel tour. They are working on the things. Yes? Can I shoot? It's a twin bed. Nice little cute spots. Then we have a balcony overlooking the ocean. This is what it's looking like.
I really hope it's clear tomorrow.
What you guys think? So that is it. Gonna go get ready and make our plans for the trip. So we have 2 days in Phu Quoc, which is where we're at now, and then we head back to Hanoi, and then I head back to Doha, then Abu Dhabi, then Saudi. It's a full world tour, y'all. But very excited. I'm very happy that I chose this. So it was between either Phu Quoc or Da Nang. But Da Nang is more like of a party place, and I wanted something more calming, more soothing to relax and just unwind and away from like off the beaten path type vibe. So this is just perfect. And I don't know why, it low-key reminds me of Jamaica. Like the view is giving the Hilton Rose Hall in Jamaica. If you have not seen that vlog, check it out. It was vibes. I went with my mama. Yay, okay. Oh guys, look how cute. You don't have a lot of birthday cakes. One time for the birthday girl.
Hey. 2 times for the birthday. Hey, 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 hey. Let's see that leg work. Let's see that leg work.
Dear Miss Kamoy, Mrs. But okay, on behalf of the entire. Okay, we're done. Look at this beautiful sunset.
No filter.
How awesome is this? It's a little bit humid, so it's getting fucked in the camera. I know y'all see it. Hello peeps. So we're heading off to my pre-birthday dinner. Because my birthday is tomorrow, but we're having dinner tonight. And truthfully, I'm very, very hungry. Like I'm starvation. It's very cute. I'm gonna share my outfit. We're going for a more like natural type look. But truthfully, that's the only look I can do. I don't do I don't do makeup, but I tried.
Hitherto, fall in love and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming. In love and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming. Love and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming.
You want?
You've always had a dream, but you've been afraid that it would not come true. In love and two, while you've always had a dream, but you've been afraid that it would not come true. Hitherto, fall in love and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming.
Good morning, y'all. Today's our second day in Phu Quoc. So it's massage day. It's also the Vietnam of Venice day. The Venice of Vietnam day. So we'll start off first with breakfast and then we see where we go from there. I think we have, in less than an hour, we have the massage. It's a very rainy day. I came for the beach, but yeah, it ain't no beach, cause girl, no way I'm riding that water. So y'all, I'm trying all the new stuff. So this is, wow. So this is the duck noodle. This is kimchi rice. I heard everyone's speaking about this in Japan on the vlog. So I'm trying kimchi for the first time. This is steamed passion fruit buns. Never had that before. Steamed pork dumplings. Never had that before. This is what I've had before, but this is the new place. This is, of course, masala chai. Love that. Down. And I'm gonna go get my waffles and I'll be back.
I think it's good.
It's nice? Okay, I'm gonna try. It's nice. Right. Let's see what this one be. Oh, it's a plum. Guys, it's same plum. With salt. We'll try to. Hot plum, guys. Hot plum. Nothing special. Bigger, but same thing. Let's try this one. Oh, it's plum. It looks so different. Okay, nothing special, y'all. It's just the plums. They just look different, but yeah, same taste. Tell me that you ain't from nowhere where you be using umbrellas. Let me know.
shielded more than I was.
Now it's spa time, y'all. We're going to the spa.
No sleep, so good.
Spa, spa, spa. In today's news of Diddy, what's happening with the Diddy case? Diddy's case. This time around.
It has been no such time.
Come on. You go. Come on with the culture. It's a dry massage, that's what he says. Vietnamese is a dry massage. That's what ChatGPT said.
You said it says that on the video.
Touche, guys. Touche. Like, who's really checking where? But anyways, guys, I've learned to say hello, sing ciao, and I've learned to say thank you. Come up in Vietnamese, and the locals are just loving it. And I love that for them, and I love that for me. You know, immersing yourself in the culture. It's the first part of moving here. I've taken the GM's part. I'm joking. If you're seeing this, it's completely a joke. Goodbye.
Clink, clink.
Clink, clink. Nice choice in the spot, y'all. Y'all, this is nice. This is some official ticket. We're done. How was it?
10 out of 10.
We're so good. Yo. Oh, I'm tired now. Good sleep. Need a nap. It's a rainy day in Phu Quoc Islands, but the show continues. Pans. Pans.
Hands?
Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. So peeps, we are now driving our shuttle to go to the Venice place. So they have a shuttle every hour. So, you know, conserve on the money, on the grabs. So let's go. Hello. Yeah, girl, you know what it is. Hello, party people. Greetings from Grand World in Vietnam, Phu Quoc Islands. So we're currently walking around searching for coffee as per usual, like we do on this trip. We're searching for salt coffee. So far that's my favorite. Coconut coffee, very close. So we're just out here walking. We're gonna go to all the places to see what they do. Kamforreall for you.
Walking down the aisle, literally.
Okay, so the Venice place is like at the theme park, so there are many things to see. So there's the flower garden place, there are food spots, so we're doing a quick tour. This is one of the top tourist destinations. We also saw this as a place that must visit if you're in Phu Quoc Islands. So also if you're heading over here, a place that you could stop. I wouldn't say for the entire day, if you have kids possibly, but as an adult who doesn't really like theme parks and stuff like that, there are not much rides, I think. Just attractions. So there is that. I look to you. I look to Come on, angulation. Y'all, I'm in Chinatown. Pretty much. So there's a water show happening in the next like 7 minutes. So we grab our seats. Do we have to pay? Huh? Is it free or do we have to pay? Because we entered this place for free, so I'm sure not everything is for free. But exciting times. Also my first time wearing a halter top. I don't know, Zara. I don't know. Just like old times. Takes you back to the Maldives. You didn't go as well, didn't you?
I think so, yeah. But you can, oh my god, you can use the different pictures to show the different stages if you're on the flower. Like if you did it, you said you've done it before.
Oh, I gotta look for the contact.
Y'all.
They press it out.
Sugar cane juice. You know you can make rum from this.
It is made from sugar cane.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's make our own homemade.
Let's not push it now. There you go.
Thank you. How much? $30.
So in Vietnamese, KK.
I don't remember how they said it.
How much?
No, how much?
Oh. I thought you said thank you.
No.
I think he said 30.
He said 30.
Good. He did good. He said, are you from South Africa?
That's cool.
Yeah, there's a little run. Hey, what do? He said, I'ma say.
Are you gonna taste test it first?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You do me.
I did do you.
You do me,
But I
I
can't
do
see
you.
what I'm doing.
If you do me, I do you.
Okay, she's gonna taste test the sugarcane juice. If you don't like it, don't put your face because we're in front of the men's.
You want to mix it?
Very nice. It's good. Low key. It's good. It's good.
Oh yeah,
It's good.
the ad to the ad.
Oh, she said Sin Chow. I know that's right. Sin Chow. We're off to the birthday dins.
Woo, girl, yeah.
Yes. One thing about KK, she's gonna make the friends, y'all. she's gonna make them friends, girl. But anyways, so we're at the Venice place again. Grand World, actually, that's the actual name. We're at Grand World, and we're waiting for the show to start. It was supposed to start at 9, it's now 9:06, but it's okay, we're in no rush. This is the last stop for the night. And then tomorrow, unfortunately, we leave Phu Quoc and we go back to our next destination. So, I mean, yeah, that's what it is right now. Oh, it's starting. Let's go. But yeah, I thought it was gonna be a fireworks. Turns out it was a waterworks. Also, the battery is dead on my camera, but we got the content regardless. But yeah, it was a very good night. Now we head back to the hotel, have some chill time, and then prepare for a flight tomorrow. See you then. Good morning.
Morning.
What do you do, my peeps? So we're now heading off to the airport because we are leaving the Phu Quoc Island. It was very nice though, not gonna lie. Not for a long time, but a good time, I must say. Food busting. By the way, last night, the dinner on the Rock, 10 out of 10, not minus. Food was great, the vibe was lovely. It was a last minute plan, kind of. We knew that it was one of the places that was recommended on TikTok. Because that's what the strip is all about. You go and chat GPT and TikTok and then, yeah. They do what they do, but it did what it did. And so, that is it. Now we head back to Hanoi for one day and then we all go to our respective countries. We are in the streets of Hanoi. We're back. It's the final countdown of my Shayla. Oh God. KK, you said let's go. Girl, ma'am. Trying to kill us? Yeah.
You can definitely cross here because no cars are coming.
KK, you know, say. Alright, guys, I need to focus. This is an extreme sport. I'll see you at the train station where we're heading now. Y'all, it's like you're on a minibus. Yeah, it's dangerous. These people, they're brave. Well, then you have these people who are safe. And you have us, super safe. Because listen here.
Turn your knees, turn your body. And the umbrella.
Y'all, they're doing a lot. He's like, oh, chick. Habibi. Are you going? Storm is over. Storm is over now. And I can see it. Oh God, why do you have to go over there? Well, y'all, they're leaving me. They're going back to their respective homes. It's not gonna feel nice at all. Not at all. Not at all.
Just hearing mate.
She's going back to hearing mate. You're good, love. You're good, mate. And then there was one. To the economic class no more. Technical difficulties as we're returning to the
Our engineer has just been on board and he managed to clear the technical issue. So we're just waiting for some final paperwork. paperwork, then we can sign it, get the doors closed, and then get on our way again. We do sincerely apologize for this delay. Thank you.
As long as it's fixed. If it ain't fixed, do not go. That's all I'm saying.
I'll get back to you as soon as I have more